Welcome to Tech Freelance Academy. So, if you're first time visiting the channel, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you get any value in the video, don't forget to share. So, I made a video before on how to apply for Outlier account, and some person said that the video was mute and they couldn't get audio from what I did. Like, there was no explanation, so I decided to cut some clips from the previous video so you all can understand the procedure I took. So here I did record where I connected the proxy. So I did set up my proxy to the location I'm applying, which is United States, and I checked the word on there to see that my proxy is very connected. It's well connected. So what you're gonna do is click on view opportunities and let it load. And from the screen, it's showing 109 jobs available. So first of all, if you're applying for a US location, you have to prepare your CV for the location you're applying from. If you have not seen the video I did on how to prepare your CV, then you should check the channel and see the video on preparing your CV for both TELUS, Peroptics, Outlier. I did one for two. I also did for RWS and We Localize. So we'll be applying for advanced coders in this video. So this video is well explained. So for the person that gets what I discussed in the previous video I did. So that's just basically what I'm just explaining here. There's nothing very different. So I picked the important aspects of the video, whereby I have to explain it for you so you understand what you're doing. Because if you don't do it right from this very place, you won't be able to be successful with your account registration. So first of all is the CV. Not just the CV. Yeah, the CV is the beginning point, whereby the ID of the person you want to make use of, you want to use for the application, is details on the ID is what you're going to use in preparing your CV. Then you connect your proxy. If you're using RDP, connect your RDP. Then use Wahoo.net to test that your proxy is well connected. Then choose the job you want to go for. So since you're applying for English, then you choose the language should be English. If they have English United States, they have English for UK. So due to you applying for English, you're gonna choose English. So this was the video I did when I was playing to the person, my readers that were in Egypt. So he did the same thing I copied, the clip I copied for the person that said they couldn't understand what I did there. So that was what I copied now to make this video. So thank you for checking out the video. So do what I've explained about the pros, the connections, and the place you're applying from, so that the application will go successful.